Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of olives, exploring not only their rich history, but also the numerous benefits and potential side effects associated with this Mediterranean treasure. The olive, scientifically known as Olea europea, has deep roots in the Mediterranean basin, where it has been cultivated for thousands of years. Its significance extends beyond just being a culinary delight. It's a symbol of tradition, culture, and health. Health benefits. Let's start by exploring the health benefits of olives. The fruit of the olive tree, also called an olive, is a major player in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines, primarily as the source of olive oil. Here are some key health benefits. 1. Heart health. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known to promote heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Olives are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds found in olives have anti-inflammatory effects, contributing to overall health and potentially aiding in the prevention of inflammatory diseases. 4. Weight management. The healthy fats in olives can promote a feeling of satiety, helping with weight management when incorporated into a balanced diet. Side effects and considerations. While olives offer a host of benefits, it's essential to be mindful of certain considerations. 1. High caloric content. Olives, especially when consumed in large quantities, can contribute to calorie intake. Moderation is key, especially for those watching their weight. 2. Sodium content. Some olives, particularly those cured in brine, can be high in sodium. Individuals with hypertension or salt-sensitive conditions should be cautious about their intake. 3. Allergenic pollen. Olive tree pollen is highly allergenic, and individuals with asthma may be triggered by exposure. Certain olive tree varieties marketed as allergy-free may still produce pollen. In conclusion, the olive tree is not just a source of culinary delight, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. By incorporating olives and olive oil into your diet in moderation, you can enjoy a flavorful journey while potentially reaping the rewards for your well-being. Stay tuned for more informative content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a healthy dose of knowledge. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.